Weigh it automatically. Weight measures can tell you how much product you're packing. If you've ever wondered how they get the perfect amount of candy corns in the bag at the store, a scale is probably your answer. Scales can help you weigh out how much product goes into a container, like a bag of candy corn. In a linear scale system, the one bucket that has reached the desired weight is discharged. In a combination scale system, the proper combination of buckets, one or multiple, are discharged to reach the proper weight. Often used with form, fill, and seal machines, bucket scale systems and equipment often discharge directly into the packaging machinery. Here's a few things to think about when buying or renting a scale system. The volume of the product to be weighed, weight of the product to be weighed, speed of operation or number of weighs per minute, the packaging machine that the scale will feed, and the plant environment. The right scale is just a phone call away, and we can get it to you quickly with flexible financing.